girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Gracie Abrams, she released her album here recently. What a great choice there to release this great album. This one, Best, okay? So this one is one of her best songs, so very soothing name. We have 5 different chords that we'll handle here. We have one strumming pattern that works through the entire song pretty much. So yeah, pretty guitar friendly song here. Let's start here with this capo set on the 3rd fret and we'll go over the chords. So we'll start with the C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B and open E. The G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B and 3rd E. D coming up here, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B and 2nd E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B and open E. And finally we have A minor. So A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B and open E. Okay, so we'll start with the song. We'll look at the strumming pattern first. Grab the C chord, that's the 1st chord. So one strumming round will be down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. So a couple rounds of it. So nothing too hard there. Let's take a look at the first verse. So you will go with C, 1 string round, G1 and D2. That short little chord progression you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So let's go for a couple of rounds. C1, G1 and D2. Of this, and that's your first verse. That takes us to the first chorus. Now we'll use the same strumming pattern here. Now we'll just switch up a little bit. We play G1, D1 and C2. You play that for 2 rounds. All right, so let's go for these both 2 rounds here and play the chorus. We're going forward here. The second verse is played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. And the second chorus played in the same way, it's just twice as long. So 4 rounds in the second chorus. That takes us to the bridge part in the lyrics, and I destroyed every silver lining you had in your head. All right, so here, this one is a pretty long one, this chord progression. I'm gonna take you through this. And I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing. I will take down the tempo a little bit, and yeah, just hang in there and we'll go through this. So we'll start with E minor 1, G1, D1, C1, E minor 1, G1 and D2. Stop here is kind of in the middle of this chord progression. So E minor 1, G1, D1, C1. Then E minor 1, G1 and D2. The next half here will be played in the same way, but you just replace the E minor with A minor now instead. Everything else is the same, so A minor 1 and then G1 and D1, C1 and A minor 1, G1 and D2. So let's go for the second half, starting with A minor 1. G1, D1, all that we learned now in this bridge part, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna take you through this for the second round. I'm not gonna speak anything, just play for you. So let's go. That takes us to something that is kind of a pre-chorus in the lyrics. You were there all the time and so on. You're gonna play the C1, the G1 and the D2 for 2 rounds. So that is pretty much 2 rounds of verse play. But now you just play 1 down per chord. So of course 2 downs on D. Just the downs, no strumming here, and that builds up for the third chorus now. So this third chorus is in the same way as the bridge play actually, so nothing like the 2 previous choruses. So you're gonna play the same chord progression as you played in the bridge, and that pretty much ends this song from Gracie Abrams called Best. Just gonna mention with this final chorus here, it's half as long, so only 1 round of this chord progression, this big chord progression in the bridge part. Anyway, give it a try, guys. A great song, perhaps the best from Gracie Abrams called Best. So yeah, give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.